Oh, this is something new. Moving up on the outside, Ilocos Magic. Ilocos Magic, something new is running by the round and racing into the red pocket. Sky Tripper, Maris Manpower, Umbrella Girl, My Belina. Something new by our line, Ilocos Magic in second. Then 3 lengths away into the Sky Tripper, Maris Manpower on the outside, Port Red Pocket in Peep, Umbrella Girl. Something new by about 2 lengths. Ilocos Magic in second is Sky Tripper in third, Maris Manpower, then followed by number 4, that's Sky Tripper. Something new, Ilocos Magic is on the outside, paragraph for the leader is Sky Tripper in third, My Billion, Maris Manpower, but it's still something new, Sky Tripper sneaking down on the inside. Something new, Sky Tripper is running by the Ilocos Magic. Sky Tripper takes the lead. Something new, Ilocos Magic on the outside and Umbrella Girl, but it's still Sky Tripper by about 2 lengths. Ilocos Magic, something new, entering the finish line from the stable of Mr. Bok Sangguyo is Sky Tripper. Second, Ilocos Magic, Umbrella Girl, something new, red pocket. Then comes